Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gran Turismo 7 on PlayStation VR2. First, ensure your PlayStation VR2 headset is properly connected to your PlayStation 5 console. Next, make sure Gran Turismo 7 is fully updated to its latest version. Once everything is connected and updated, simply launch the Gran Turismo 7 game from your PlayStation 5 home screen. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth transition into the immersive virtual racing world. After launching the game, navigate to the main menu. You'll find a dedicated option, typically labeled VR Showroom or VR Race, which allows you to enter the virtual reality experience. From there, you can select any race event or car from your extensive garage to drive in full virtual reality. The game seamlessly transitions into the immersive view, putting you right into the driver's seat. Once in virtual reality, prepare for an incredibly immersive driving experience. You'll see highly detailed car interiors and realistic cockpits, making you feel truly present. Enjoy a full 360-degree view of the track and your surroundings, enhancing situational awareness. The haptic feedback from the sense controllers and headset further deepens the immersion, letting you feel every bump and rumble of the road. To ensure the best possible experience, take a moment to adjust your PlayStation VR2 headset for optimal clarity and comfort. Consider taking short breaks during longer play sessions to prevent any potential eye strain or fatigue. Also, experiment with the various in-game camera views to find the perspective that best suits your driving style and enhances your overall enjoyment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.